behind me.
Come on.
The ancestors occupied Wall Street. So, and I put a little history behind Wall Street because we have to know why Wall Street was built. What's the history of it? The people that built it, and the slaves that built it, the slaves that died on Wall Street, the burial grounds on Wall Street. So this is paying homage to the ancestors that have built Wall Street and died on Wall Street and have been occupying Wall Street since it was built. The ancestors yelled, "No more!" as they dug up another burial site beneath the busy streets of the Manhattan Financial District. Their pleas were ignored as they were uprooted despite protests. This served to build another place to house ruthless stockbrokers, businessmen and women that gamble with taxpayer money. When they win, the average person never sees the return on their investment. But when they lose, we feel it. That's why we're here now, because we feel it. We feel it when our relatives and friends get laid off after spending years, almost 50 years being a good old slave. They leave their jobs with nothing to show for it but poor health and pennies. We feel the loss when they maintain multi-million, billion-dollar salaries but make cuts to education and programs that help the community.
That's right.
The ancestors said to Wall Street, "No more."
No more.
I want to hear you say it.
No more.
I can't hear you. No more. No more.
No more.
They will no longer turn in their graves, but rise up to activate the DNA of their offspring. No more will you let greed override their humanity. We will bring this country to its knees to seek collective justice. We demand a shift in consciousness that allows for a thriving, just society for all its members and future beings. Despite race, gender, and in between, or class. We will have to deal collectively with the skeletons in our closets.
Come on out with the skeletons.
With the skeletons, the rotten carcasses in our backyard.
Come out the closet.
The atrocities we have caused the people of the world. We can no longer blame the system or politicians for what we let them do. Take responsibility.
That's right.
Take responsibility. Yes. Children of America and beyond, claim your place in the world.
Come on, claim it.
Not as we did in the past, by brute force, imperialism, colonialism, the myth of white supremacy. And I'm not talking about a skin color, I'm talking about a mentality.
Domination, exploitation. That's white supremacy. It can be in blackface too.
The ancestors of 9/11 occupied Wall Street. Yes. The ancestors of indigenous people occupied Wall Street. Yes. The ancestors of enslaved people that died on Wall Street occupied Wall Street. We occupy Wall Street. Thank you.